How to fix Expedia app not letting you sign in. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix your Expedia app not letting you sign in. So let us begin. So if you're trying to log in into your Expedia app and you cannot log into it, now there might be a lot of reasons. So I'll go through the reasons and the process to fix that. So let us begin. First thing is you might want to check your internet connection. If you don't have a strong internet connection, you will not be able to sign in. So make sure that you are signed into that you have a strong internet connection. After you've checked that, the next thing you will want to check is that if your app is up to date. Now there might be a software bug that is not letting you sign in. So you can just go ahead and search for Expedia on your app store. After you search for it, if there is an update available, update it, because updates come with bug fixes and your problem might get fixed with that. And if that does not fix your problem, what you can do is you can go to your app settings. After you're on your settings, scroll down and go to general. After you go to general, go to iPhone storage. And under iPhone storage, you will need to find your Expedia app. So after you find it, tap on offload the app and offload the app completely. It might take some time to offload the app, so wait for it, and there you go. The app has been offloaded. Now tap on reinstall and it will start reinstalling. So after reinstalling the app, try to log into it again and check if you can log in. Now if you still cannot log in, there might be a problem on the server side of Expedia. So to check that, open up your web browser. Any web browser is fine. Go to Down Detector, search for downdetector.com, and here you can check the websites or apps of which the servers are down or up. So just search for Expedia here. After you search for it, you will find it right here. Tap on Expedia and check if there is an issue with the servers. So as it says right here, there is no current problems at Expedia. If there is a problem in Expedia, you won't be able to sign in. So all you can do is wait. So those are the fixes, guys. Thanks for watching. That is how you fix Expedia app not letting you sign in. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos and bye-bye.